Today I'll be highlighting a really cool new feature of our do-it-yourself reporting. To showcase this feature, let's create a student list report to look at. To do so, I'll change the toolbox to Pupil Listings in the top left. And now I can set up what test information the report will show. For this example, I'll keep it simple. Smarter Balanced ELA and Math for spring of 2023. The next button lets us choose who we want to show up in the report. Let's take a look at Madison Middle and narrow it down to the 7th grade. We now have a list of 7th grade students at Madison Middle comparing their SBAC scores. If we're curious about any student in particular, just click their name. This will bring up the Student Lookup, giving us a detailed view of the student in question. Their individual student reports are also located here, giving us an in-depth view of all their scores on various assessments, both current and historical. We'd love to talk and show you how we can save you bundles of time and money. To get more information, scan the QR codes here or contact us via our website, email, or telephone. Thanks for watching.